Hello my friends, it's Chris here from the School of Embodiment, and I just wanted to share with you a practice if you're struggling or suffering right now, to help bring relief to you and also to help you go through a transformation. Feeling a little bit blissed out right now because I've just been meditating for a little while, so I'll see if I can get my words out. Follow along with me, and please excuse my babbling state right now. But if you want to close your eyes, follow along with me, then you're welcome to. Closing the eyes and allowing yourself to see what is going on within your body, and see what is going on within your mind. Now, it's really important when we do any kind of spiritual practice or healing practice to not take it too seriously. Because seriousness is only going to create more seriousness. And the goal of healing, the goal of awakening, isn't to become more serious, it's to become less and less serious, to the point where we cannot really take anything truly seriously. Where another way of saying that is, there's always a lightness and a joy within experience. And there can be heartache within that, there can be pain within that, but the lightness and the childlike joy remains. So if you are seeing something serious within your experience, that's okay. I can feel seriousness within my experience as well. There's a sternness inside. There's a part within me that feels stern. There's a part within me that feels serious. There's a part within me that feels hurt. There's a part within me that feels aggressive. But that's just a slither within my consciousness. So can you allow yourself to really see within you if there's any seriousness? And if there is any seriousness, then can you smile at it? Can you welcome it? And there might be a lot of pain within that seriousness, and that's okay. There might be a lot more seriousness within your experience than expansiveness. There might be a lot more seriousness within your experience than joy. And if there is, that's okay. Can you welcome the seriousness, smile at the seriousness, become completely aware of the serious one within you? Surround it, welcome it, feel the space around it. Feel the space around your body. Feel the space around your mind. Seeing that your body and your mind and all that it contains is arising within a space that is quiet and free. Seeing that there's something inside that could never be harmed. Don't think about this, feel this. It's like feeling the fresh air when you walk outside in the morning. becoming more interested in the space within which the body is arising, becoming more interested in the space within which the mind is arising than the body and the mind itself. And within this space, welcoming anything in you which is serious, which is hurt, allowing it to thrash around and move around within your consciousness. There's a place of perfect peace inside of you. There's a place of perfect